In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the quest for innovation and versatility has led to the emergence of a remarkable category of devices, the foldable phones. These cutting-edge devices are redefining the way we interact with our mobile technology, offering a perfect blend of portability and expansive screen real estate. In this era of technological marvels, the race to create the best foldable phone is more intense than ever, with leading tech giants pushing the boundaries of design and functionality. Join us as we explore the exciting world of foldable phones, examining the top contenders and their unique features that make them stand out in this exciting niche of the smartphone market. After hours of research, and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 6 best foldable phones to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 6. Oppo Find N2. Oppo has ventured into the international market with its inaugural clamshell foldable phone, the Oppo Find N2 Flip, which appears tailored to outshine the Z Flip 4 in numerous aspects. Samsung introduced the Z Flip 5 in response, but Oppo's offering remains a strong device at an attractive price point. The Find N2 Flip boasts a zero-gap folding design, engineered to endure twice as many folds as Samsung's counterparts. It also features a substantially larger battery with faster charging, a more expansive cover display, comparable flagship-level performance, and notably, a more budget-friendly starting price. Equipped with a pair of rear-facing cameras, including a 50-megapixel sensor, the N2 Flip leverages its substantial 3.26-inch portrait cover display for impressive selfies. The 4300 mAh battery ensures a full day of usage without concern and recharges swiftly thanks to 44-watt fast charging. In addition to its cost advantage, Oppo's debut clamshell foldable offers an impressive matching feature with its rival, 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates, underlining its commitment to long-term usability and security. Number 5. Motorola Razer Plus. The Motorola Razer Plus transcends being just the best flip-style phone. It introduces an entirely new category of smartphones, offering more than any of its predecessors. When the phone is closed, it serves as a compact and highly functional communicator, a convenient pocket mirror, and a palm-sized map. The external display isn't a mere gimmick. It's sizable enough for comfortable typing and provides clarity even for tasks like reading street names on a map. The Razer Plus represents the epitome of a fun phone, delivering a unique and unparalleled smartphone experience. Similar to the original Razer, it's poised to redefine smartphone design and likely inspire a wave of imitations. Flip phones are on the verge of a major resurgence. In addition, its exterior display features a neat cutout that wraps around its cameras, and compared to Samsung's flip-style foldable, it's actually a touch easier to use. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Despite facing increased competition, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series continues to shine as a top-tier foldable phone available today, and is in fact one of the best Android phones overall. With the Z Fold 5, Samsung has introduced its innovative Flex Hinge, which not only slims down the phone's dimensions, but also allows it to close completely flat. This device boasts exceptional performance, thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and it excels in terms of battery life. Additionally, its flexible main screen is brilliantly bright, reaching a peak brightness of 1750 nits. What sets the Z Fold 5 apart is its enhanced multitasking capabilities and an updated taskbar, making it the undisputed champion in mobile productivity. Furthermore, unlike most of its competitors, the Z Fold 5 offers native support for a stylus, although you'll need to purchase one of Samsung's S Pens separately, along with a case to store it conveniently. However, the most significant drawback is its starting price, which remains quite high at $1,800, making the Z Fold 5 an expensive investment. Number 3. Google Pixel Fold. Not everyone is in love with Samsung's software experience, And fortunately, there's now a viable alternative available in the US market, the Google Pixel Fold. While not without its initial teething problems, which are often par for the course with the company's first-gen products, caters to those seeking a Pixel-style experience on a large screen. What sets it apart is its more functional outer display, a significant improvement compared to Samsung's counterpart. The Pixel Fold welcomes you with a 5.8-inch screen, boasting a more rectangular aspect ratio that distinguishes it from most contemporary phones. However, the interior display lags behind by a generation or two when compared to what Samsung offers. Although both displays share the same size and shape, the Pixel's unique 90-degree rotation to open wider, coupled with larger bezels and slightly lower quality, might deter some users. Nevertheless, the Pixel software experience remains a notable highlight. The Pixel Fold camera delivers an exceptional photography experience and arguably the best camera on a foldable device. The Pixel Fold serves as a compelling alternative to Samsung's offerings, particularly for those who prefer a different software experience from One UI. Number 2. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open stands out as a top choice in the foldable phone category, thanks to its expansive screen real estate, exceptional performance, and outstanding overall value. What makes it even more appealing is its $100 lower price tag compared to similar notebook-style foldables from Samsung and Google, a refreshing departure from the high prices typically associated with such devices. OnePlus hasn't compromised on quality to achieve this lower price point, and it delivers impressive photography capabilities in most scenarios, with the exception of being low-light settings. The open canvas multitasking features further enhance its appeal, allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously in customizable window sizes. OnePlus seems to grasp that the allure of foldable phones lies in their ability to serve as both smartphones and tablets, and the Open performs admirably in this dual role. When it comes to displays, the 7.8-inch main screen on the OnePlus Open is the largest available in the foldable phone market. Remarkably, the device maintains a slim and lightweight profile thanks to its well-engineered hinge. In essence, the OnePlus Open is a stellar device that propels the entire foldable market forward, offering a compelling combination of features and affordability. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 represents the latest addition to the compact foldable lineup, boasting a flexible 6.7-inch internal display, a 3.4-inch external display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, and a host of other features. Samsung has taken inspiration from other brands in designing the Galaxy Z Flip 5, with a notable enhancement being the expanded cover display. This upgrade sets it apart from its predecessor, the Z Flip 4, as we observed during our hands-on experience. The Flip 5 now features a 3.4-inch cover display, albeit still smaller than that of the Motorola Razer Plus. However, it's a significant improvement with expanded widget support. Although only a limited number of apps are initially supported on the cover screen, users can add app compatibility with minor adjustments. Similar to the Z Fold 5, the Z Flip 5 boasts a flex hinge and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy platform. This makes Samsung's smallest foldable even more compact, measuring 3.35 by 2.83 by 0.59 inches when folded, and 6.5 by 2.83 by 0.27 inches when unfolded. It's notably slimmer than its predecessor, the Z Flip 4, which had a thickness of 0.67 inches. The Z Flip 5's flex hinge offers advantages such as a seamless no-gap form factor when closed and protection against dust and debris. The Z Flip 5 is an excellent foldable phone, and the choice between this device and the Razer Plus can be a close call. If you prioritize a polished experience and don't require full access to the cover screen, the Z Flip 5 is likely the better choice. In the ever-evolving world of mobile technology, foldable phones have emerged as a compelling innovation, combining style and functionality. The best foldable phone for you depends on your unique preferences. As technology continues to advance, the world of foldable phones promises to bring even more exciting developments. Whether you favor Samsung's elegance, Huawei's ingenuity, or other options, your choice reflects your personal needs in the ever-changing smartphone landscape. However, getting the best foldable phones is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.